test number 23 part 3. See question number 76. In question number 76, the question is basically the compound is given and the compound is benzene. At this position Br group is attached, and at this position 1, 2, 3 carbon along with Br. Now in reaction with KOH, this OH group will replace this Br, as there is partial double bond character, therefore this Br will not removed. So now the product obtained is 1, 2, 3, and this compound changes into OH group. As in next step we use oxidizing agent, that is Cr3O3H+, called Jones reagent. This is called Jones reagent. So Jones reagent will oxidize OH group into carboxylic group. Jones reagent will oxidize OH group into carboxylic group. So now the product will be this one, Br 1, 2, and this changes into carboxylic group, OH group. As we can see that to form a ring, as there is hydrogen atom, so water will be removed and it forms a ring. Water will be removed as dehydrating agent is added, concentrated H2SO4, so water will be removed and it forms a ring of 6 member. So final product is Br, and then at this position the compound form is C double bond O and this. So question number 76, option A is correct. See question number 77. Question number 77 is basically aldol condensation reaction. See question number 77. As in question number 77, we know that alpha hydrogen is reacted, so CH3 double bond OH. As alpha hydrogen remove H, so CH2 minus CHO will attack on the carbon atom. Now this will attack and it forms CH3 C O negative and CH2 CHO. Now on hydrolysis it gives CH3 CH OH CH2 and CHO. This is aldol product. So question number 77, option A is correct. See question number 78. In question number 78, what is given there? See question number 78 is acetal is obtained by reacting in the presence of tri-HCl. As we know that when aldehyde group, when aldehyde, that is CH3 C double bond OH, is called aldehydic group, acetaldehyde. So when acetaldehyde reacts with alcohol, so the product obtained is C2H5OH and C2H5OH. Two molecules are reacting here. Removal of water, so 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen will be removed and it forms CH3 CH OC2H5 and OC2H5. This is called acetal. So basically acetal is formed when aldehyde reacts with in presence of dilute HCl. So question number 78, option A is correct. See question number 79. In question number 79, what is given there? The question is when acetaldehyde reacts with PCl5, as acetaldehyde is CH3CHO, reacts with PCl5. As we know that PCl5 is basically Cl, P, Cl, Cl, Cl and Cl. This is PCl5. Now this 2 valency of oxygen is removed and attacked by 2 Cl atoms. So it will form CH3 CH Cl Cl, and the byproduct is P double bond O and Cl3, which forms PoCl3. So question number, and this compound is called, as geminal compound is formed, geminal compound also called ethylidene has 2 carbons, so ethylidene dichloride, ethylidene chloride. So question number 79, option C is correct. See question number 80. In question number 80, what is given there? As we know, phthalic acid is question number 80. See, in question number 80 is phthalic acid is isomer of as 2 adjacent position containing COS. This compound is called phthalic acid. This compound is called phthalic acid, and this is isomeric with as position of COS changes to 1,4 position. This is 1,2 position. This is 1,4 position. This is called 1,4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. 1,4 benzene dicarboxylic acid. So question number 80, these two are the isomers, positional isomers. So question number 80, option C is correct. See question number 81. In question number 81, what is given there? Question number 81 question is the final product when acetaldehyde is reduced with sodium ethanol. This reduction is called Bauwelt-Blank reduction. Bauwelt-Blank reduction reaction. So it will changes into 2 carbon alcohol. As in aldehyde 2 carbons, so it will reduce into 2 carbon alcohol. So product obtained is ethyl alcohol. This reaction is called Bauwelt-Blank reduction. So question number 81, option B is correct. Ethyl alcohol is formed. See question number 82. Question number 82 is very easy question. See question number 82. As we know that benzaldehyde is basically used in case of benzoin condensation. In case of benzoin condensation, we use benzaldehyde. You have to learn that. And we know that phthalic anhydride is basically used. Phthalic anhydride is used in phenolphthalein, in the preparation of phenolphthalein. In preparation of phenolphthalein, phthalic anhydride is used. And we also know that phenyl benzoate undergoes Fries rearrangement. So benzyl, it undergo Fries rearrangement, phenyl benzoate. And the next compound, that is methyl salicylate, also known as oil of wintergreen. It is also known as oil of wintergreen. Now match the options. Question number 82, option D is correct. See question number 83. Question number 83, what is given there? See question number 83. Question number 83 is, which of the following does not turn Schiff's base, Schiff's reagent to pink. As we know that there is ketonic group, so there is ketonic group present, and we know that aldehyde turns Schiff's reagent. Aldehyde turns Schiff's reagent to pink, while ketone do not. So only one ketone is present, that is acetone. So question number 83, option C is correct. See question number 84. In question number 84, what is given there? Question number 84. Question number 84 is basically which dicarboxylic acid in presence of dehydrating agent is least reactive to give anhydride. As we know, adipic acid will give unstable 7-member ring, 7-member anhydride. So adipic acid will give unstable 7-member anhydride, as we can see that CH2, 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 CH2 and COOH and also COOH. As we can see that when we remove water, the ring form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 member. So 7-member ring is unstable, therefore least reactive is adipic acid. So question number 84, option A is correct. This is adipic acid, as it gives 7-member ring. See question number 85. In question number 85, what is given there? See question number 85. As question number 85 is correct order of boiling point. Correct order of boiling point. As we know, carboxylic acid have a stronger boiling point of carboxylic acid is more. After carboxylic acid, alcohol, and after alcohol it is aldehyde, because carboxylic acid there is hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and also intermolecular hydrogen bonding, so it forms dimer also. There is also hydrogen bonding, but only hydrogen bonding, it do not form dimers. And in aldehyde, in case of aldehyde, they have only dipole-dipole interaction. So order of boiling point is maximum in case of carboxylic, then alcohol, and then aldehyde. So third has maximum boiling point, and then first, which is alcohol, and then second. So question number 85, option B is correct. See question number 86. In question number 86, what is given there? The reaction of question number 86. See question number 86 is the reaction of acetamide. Acetamide is basically CH3 C double bond O NH2. This is acetamide. With water is basically an example of hydrolysis reaction. Is basically a reaction on hydrolysis reaction. On hydrolysis, it gives carboxylic acid. That is CH3COOH. So question number 86, option B is correct. See question number 87. In question number 87, what is given there? It is again easy question. The question is when question number 87. See, question number 87 is when methoxybenzene, that is OCH3, reacts with phthalic anhydride, reacts with succinic anhydride. This is C double bond O, again C double bond O, and there is oxygen atom. When it reacts with AlCl3, as we know that this is orthopara directing group, so bond will break from this position and carbonyl group is positive charge, so it will attack at this position, para position. So now the product form is like this. This is OCH3 as it is, and on para position the compound which is attached is C double bond O, and this is COH. And this compound will change into COOH. So C double bond O, then CH2, and then CH2, and then COH. Now, as we know, Clemmensen reduction. On Clemmensen reduction means we added zinc, mercury amalgam and concentrated HCl. So this compound will reduce into removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. Removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. There is also it is also removed. So now the final product obtained is cyclic member ring is formed. This compound is as it is OCH3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 member ring attached with oxygen, this carbon atom. So the compound form is this one. This is the final product. So question number 87, option D is correct. Option D is correct. See question number 88. In question number 88, what is given there? See question number 88. Question number 88 is basically a mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde with aqueous NaOH. As we know, this reaction is Cannizzaro reaction. This reaction is Cannizzaro reaction. As alpha hydrogen is absent. As alpha hydrogen is absent. As alpha hydrogen is absent. So when benzaldehyde and formaldehyde is used, one is benzaldehyde and this is cross Cannizzaro reaction. This is a cross Cannizzaro reaction. Benzaldehyde and formaldehyde. As formaldehyde is more reactive, than benzaldehyde due to steric hindrance. So more reactive will oxidize. So more reactive oxidize into acid and less reactive will reduce into alcohol. So these are the products formed. This reaction is cross Cannizzaro reaction. The products are, one is benzyl alcohol, and other product is the derivative of salt, that is sodium formate. So question number 88, option A is correct. See question number 89. In question number 89, what is given there? Question number 89 is basically aldol condensation not possible in. Aldol condensation not possible. As we know that in chloral alpha hydrogen is absent. As we can see that CCl3 and CHO, alpha hydrogen is absent. So it does not give aldol condensation, as aldol condensation given by those compounds in which alpha hydrogen is present. So question number 89, option A is correct. See question number 90. Question number 90, what is given there? Cyanides exist in, as we know, cyanides exist in tautomeric form. In dynamic equilibrium. So they exist in tautomeric form in dynamic equilibrium. So question number 90, option A is correct.